Hi, this is Rob, one of your FSCJ Adult Education Academic Tutors, and in this video we are going to talk about how to find the slope of a line when given 2 points on the line. As we recall, slope is rise over run. We also can express that as delta y over delta x, which means change in y over change in x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we are going to do this by using a few example points. Our first line passes through the points negative 5, comma 1 and 0, comma 3. So we're going to use our y2 minus y1 and say y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1 over x2 is 0, x1 is negative 5, so we say minus negative 5. Now all we have to do is do the math. 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus a negative 5, that becomes plus 5. So the slope on this line is 2/5. Because that 5 is negative in that first point, minus a negative, and we get plus 5 for that slope of 2/5. Our next point will be negative 2, 5, and 2, 1. Again, we plug everybody into that y2 minus y1. However, I am going to show you that it actually doesn't matter which point you decide is x2 and which point is x1. So instead, we're going to make the first point negative 2, 5, the y2 value, and we're going to get 5 minus 1 over minus 2 minus 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So the slope on this one will reduce to negative 1. Now, if we swap our numbers, and we're going to call this one point 2 instead, we have 1 minus 5. And then we have 2 minus a negative 2. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. 2 minus a negative 2 becomes plus, so that is negative 4 over 4, giving us again a slope of negative 1. Order does not matter. What matters is we keep everybody with the respective points, with the respective coordinates from the ordered pair. So as long as we keep the same point as point 1 and the same point as point 2, the math will shake out. The last point we are going to go through is going to be negative 1, 4, and 3, 0. We'll make a little bit of room on the notebook. So we have 0 minus 4 over 3 minus a negative 1. 0 minus 4 will give us negative 4. 3 minus a negative 1 gives us plus 1. So again, we have a slope of negative 4 over 4, which will reduce to negative 1 because we remember slope is a ratio. It is rise over run. It is number to number. That has been finding slope from 2 points. Thank you and keep learning.